Good day, everybody. Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I got my 2003 Jeep TJ that has a 4.8 LS swap in it, and we got an oil leak that we have to take care of. It's either going to be the oil sensor, but I'm thinking it's the camshaft sensor O-ring that's leaking. Over time, it started off as a small leak, but now it's just keep getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So where we need to go is right inside there. So it does look like it's wet up top, but is that the place where the oil's coming from? We need to investigate further. So there's the camshaft sensor right there. And as you can see, oops. Does look wet. So this is just from a little over a week of sitting. When you look at it, it seems to be coming between the engine and the transmission. So one would assume that's the rear seal. I'm going to pop that inspection cover off, and we're going to get a deeper look. I just got the camera in the hole, and as you can see, that's where the crank is. There's no wetness, so we know that the rear main seal isn't leaking. So pushing the camera up to the top, there is a little bit of wetness, but it's not giving me enough evidence to really believe that the camshaft O-ring is leaking, but I'm not ruling it out because we have an oil leak coming from somewhere. So I just had to look at it. It's not confirmed. Is it the camshaft O-ring? Is it the oil pressure seal or O-ring? Or is it the valley gasket? We ruled it out. It's not a rear main oil leak, but we got a pretty good oil leak coming from somewhere. I want to know in the comments what you guys think. The next step is to remove the intake and get a better look. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.